Do you want to push the button and show the camera Roomba?
Yeah. Roomba's a name?
Yup.
Come on. Can I push this button?
We're gonna watch. Ready?
Clean. It's not cleaning yet. I could go into a full split right now. I didn't know Roomba was her name.
Yep, Roomba's her name.
Whoa.
Aaron, do you think he'll avoid you?
Aaron, do you think he'll avoid you if you stand in his way?
Why?
Come see. Jossie, you want to give it a try?
Yeah! It's Georgia. Does he go under the futon?
He does go under the futon
When?
when he gets there.
It's over there.
Look at over there.
Jossie, see if he'll avoid you.
Avoid me for what? This?
Yep.
Oh, the trash and see if you can pick up the trash.
I don't think he's that good. See if he'll avoid your legs, Jossie.
If we make a mess under the table, we could use her to clean it up.
Uh-huh. What makes you think it's a girl robot?
Because of the name,
Roomba? It does sound like a girl name, doesn't it?
but it is a boy.
No, it's just a robot.
Let's do it. Stop myself. What does that really
Alright, do you want to push the button that says Doc, Jossie? Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Where is he? Where is he?
Hi. It's small when you fuck a little robot. Get over here. Right. I got a dog.
Push Doc.
I did.
Alright. Now he's going to be looking to find home. Come on, Roomba, get it right. Pressure's on.
No.
Gotta clap for him when he gets it.
Why
Yay!
did it
Because he's happy because he made it. Alright, say bye to the camera.
say, bye, camera?